Alright, for this first one, I'm going to find the vowels. I'm going to underline them and mark them with a V. These are actually two, this one is a diphthong and this one is a vowel team. So I'm going to make a bridge, make my consonant. We're going to try this way first because I have VCV. Alright, so let's look. I have a vowel team here and I have a diphthong here. Alright, so this is going to be see, saw. Alright, so let's try this one. Alright, let's locate our vowels. Mark them with a V. Make a bridge. Consonants. This is VC, CV. Draw a line. Then you're going to, oh, I see a magic E. Alright, so then you are going to find your other vowel. Draw a bridge. CCV. Alright, and so then you're going to go back and mark your syllables. This is closed, close, and then we have a magic E. So the word is concentrate. Oh, I hear a soft C too. Concentrate. Alright, the next word we're going to look at the vowels. I see another diphthong. Alright, but we're going to look at our vowels. Mark the vowels, make a bridge, mark your consonant. Alright, so let's try this way first. Alright, and then after that, let's mark our syllables. This is open, this is closed. The word is profound. Profound. Alright, the next word we're going to look at our vowels. Alright, marked them with a V, made a bridge, consonant with a C, so we're going to try this first. Alright, and then we're going to find our other vowel, mark it with a V, draw a bridge, mark your consonants, the V, C, C, V. Alright, so then let's see, this is going to be open, this is going to be closed, and this is going to be closed, so let's see. Majestic. That doesn't work. Alright, so let's try it the other way. Alright. So now let's make this close. Let's leave this close, this close. Majestic. That doesn't really sound either, so this is probably going to be one of your schwa sounds. Majestic. Good. Majestic. Good. Alright, so now let's look at this next one. You have your vowels. Y is going to be a vowel here. Make a bridge to your consonant. Alright, let's try here first. And then let's find your other vowels, the sound. Going to draw a bridge. Consonant, consonant. Draw a line between. So let's mark these. This is open, then this is closed and closed. Alright, so then let's see how that would be. Cylinder. That doesn't really work. Alright, so let's try this way. And this will be closed, closed, closed. Cylinder. Cylinder. Cylinder, yes. Alright, let's look at this next one. Okay, first of all, I see this suffix right here. And then now I see this consonant LE. Alright, and so then all I have left is this, and this is a closed syllable. This is a consonant LE, and this is a suffix. So this is gentleness.